Welcome to Artificial Professor, and in this video I will explain how to erase in Canva. So as you see, I have two things. The one is the picture of a girl and the second one is the element. But before starting the process, first let me make sure one thing: if you want to use the erase feature, and then you need a subscription to Canva Pro. Without subscription, you can't use this feature, but if you have the subscription, then you can use this feature. If you have, then tap on option, edit photo. And here is the option erasing. This feature will help you to remove unnecessary things in your picture. Like I don't like this icon, then simply select this one. So as you see, it erased successfully from my picture without having any mark. It is the benefit of erase feature. But if you don't have a subscription to Canva, I have a solution. Here is my second account in this. I don't have a subscription. You can simply select this picture and tap on the option, edit photo. And here is the option. Magic eraser, tap this one, then tap on this option, because I already used this trial. That's why it's not showing. But if you didn't use, then tap on this one, and then you can get the free trial for next 30 days. Then you can able to use the erasing feature for free. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video of Artificial Professor.